What is an SPA and why is it so popular? This is a question that's been bouncing around the tech world for a while now. Let's dive in and find out. A single-page application, or SPA, is a web application or website that interacts with the user by dynamically rewriting the current page rather than loading entire new pages from the server. This approach sidesteps the interruption of the user experience between successive pages, making the application behave more like a desktop application. But why are SPAs gaining so much popularity? Well, there are a few key reasons. First up, performance. Traditional web applications reload the entire page and refetch resources with every user interaction. In SPAs, only the necessary content is updated, which can lead to faster interactions after the initial page load. Next, the smooth user experience. SPAs can provide a more fluid experience for users. Transitions between pages or views can be animated, and there's no full page refresh, leading to a more app-like feel. Simplified development and debugging is another advantage. Developers can work on a page or view as a single unit without having to jump between separate server-rendered pages. Tools like React DevTools further aid in debugging SPAs. And let's not forget about offline support. With the help of service workers and caching, SPAs can offer offline capabilities where the application can still function or show cached data, even without an internet connection. Integration with modern tools is another big plus. SPAs often pair well with RESTful APIs, GraphQL, and other modern web practices. This separation of front-end and back-end allows for better scalability and flexibility. Adaptability is key in the tech world, and SPAs have it in spades. They can be easily integrated into other applications, like embedding into native mobile apps using frameworks like React Native or in Electron for desktop applications. Now, how do SPAs work? When you first load an SPA, the browser fetches the necessary HTML, JavaScript, and CSS. This initial payload can sometimes be larger than a traditional website because it often includes the templates and scripts for multiple pages or views. Unlike traditional websites where routes are managed server-side, SPAs handle routing on the client side. When you navigate to a new page, the SPA updates the URL using the HTML5 history API without causing a page refresh. Tools like React Router or View Router help manage these routes. Instead of reloading the entire page when new data is needed, SPAs make AJAX requests to fetch only the necessary data. This data, often in JSON format, is then used to update the view. Libraries like Axios or the Fetch API facilitate this. As the user interacts with the application, different views or components are dynamically rendered or updated. This is usually done with the help of front-end frameworks like React, Vue.js, or Angular, which efficiently update the DOM. SPAs often maintain a client-side state. This state keeps track of user interactions, form inputs, and more. Libraries like Redux or Vuex can help manage this state in larger applications. To counteract the potentially larger initial load, SPAs often employ techniques like code splitting, lazy loading, and tree shaking. These techniques ensure that only the necessary code is sent to the client, reducing load times. So, to wrap things up, single-page applications or SPAs are a popular choice due to their improved performance, smooth user experience, simplified development, offline support, integration with modern tools, adaptability, and dynamic rendering. They represent a powerful tool in the modern web development toolkit, offering a range of benefits that make them a preferred choice for many developers and businesses alike.